friends and relatives. We are gathered here today believing that God is present with us as we celebrate the coming together in love of this woman and this man.
I have many sisters, but Kendal was a great blessing to have all these years. Kendal's the type of friend that, as long as coffee and shopping was involved, we just meet up and talk about anything that we wanted to.
Kendal, there isn't a person that hasn't met you that hasn't loved Kendal. You leave everybody with a great warm feeling, including myself. And I just want to say thank you for being the greatest thing that's ever happened to my cousin. So if we could take this moment to give a cheers to the hunters, Jalen and Kendal. Some of my most favorite memories of my life was summers with the hunters, growing up together, playing basketball day together, and yet at one time I almost drowned in that pool in Lakewood. But I have to say, thinking back to when you were in high school, so mild-mannered, so polite, so kind. And if you had given me 100 guesses what you would grow up to be, a New Jersey State Trooper would not have been one of them.
All relationships have challenges, but I know this couple will definitely grow together, talk about the things that they need to, and support each other through that. Jalen, if you ever have any questions on how to run a session, feel free to reach out, and I'll let you know.
I, Jalen Hunter,
I, Jalen Hunter,
take you, Kendal Hoffman,
take you, Kendal Kaufman,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold until this day forward,
in prosperity or adversity,
in prosperity or adversity,
in sickness or in health,
in sickness or in health,
in advances or reverses,
in advances or reverses,
to love and to cherish till death do us part,
to love and to cherish till death do us part,
according to God's holy ordinance, and thereto I pledge you my faith.
according to God's ordinance, and therefore I pledge you my faith.
Amen.
Amen.
I, Kendal Hoffman,
I, Kendal Kaufman,
take you, Jalen Hunter,
take you, Jalen Hunter,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
in prosperity or adversity,
in prosperity or adversity,
in sickness or in health,
in sickness or in health,
in advances or reverses,
in advances or reverses,
to love and to cherish
to love and to cherish
till death do us part,
till death do us part,
according to God's holy ordinance,
according to God's early ordinance,
and thereto I pledge you my faith.
and therefore I pledge you my faith.
Amen.
Amen.
Now they're going to show us how much they love each other by kissing.